Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering KYC documents and opening HDFC Net Banking or the mobile banking app. Enter your customer ID or registered mobile and authenticate with OTP. This verifies you. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile or Request section. This is where address service is live. Make sure your app or browser session is secure and not on public Wi-Fi, because the bank will ask for sensitive verification. Now you're ready to request an address change and upload. Once an address change, you enter the new address exactly as on your proof and choose the type of address, permanent or correspondence. Upload a clear scanned copy or photo of your proof, make sure edges and text are legible, then confirm file size meets limits. After uploading, review the auto-filled address preview and submit the request. You'll get an acknowledgement reference. Note it down. The bank may ask for additional verification. Expect an SMS or call for confirmation. You finish by tracking the request status in service requests. Once approved, the address updates across accounts. If the request is rejected, the bank typically cites reasons: poor scan, mismatched fields, or unaccepted document type, so correct those and resubmit promptly. Make sure to keep the reference number handy. If approval takes longer than 7 days, contact customer care or visit your branch with originals for in-person verification. This solves most issues and completes the update efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.